Welcome back to the channel. We're back in Antioch again, and if you guys have watched the previous video, you guys would have known that this car sounds like ass. So we have Richie Fab here again. We're gonna go cut off the muffler of this and then still run no resonator, but it should sound a lot better with this because this has like a bunch of chambers, because this is an APEXi or APEXi or whatever muffler. So hopefully this sounds a lot better because I don't want to sound like a typical Honda ricer. So we're gonna start cutting, and then hopefully we can weld up the new old muffler and then start it up and see how that sounds. Alright guys, so we have the old axle back portion out, and as you can see right here, this is basically just a straight through. And then the resonator on this new exhaust from DNA, literally there's no resonator, it's just a straight pipe. So it's basically like a test pipe, and if you pair that up with another test pipe that replaces the cat, you're basically having a straight piped exhaust. So we don't have any metal cutter thing, so we're just gonna use the grinder, the angle grinder. It should work. It's from Harbor Freight, so they never failed me yet. So let's hope it doesn't fail me now. Always gotta look the part when you're doing stuff. We have it laid out on the grass. Now it's time for me to cut this part right here. Alright guys, now that it's cut, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mount it onto the car, see if it fits, and then mark where we need to cut, and then cut some more shit.
With my precise cutting, we were able to mock it up right there. So as you can see, that's without the actual flange, but we were able to put the hangers on, and the exhaust looks amazing. We're gonna cut the flange from the new piping right here so that we can weld that flange onto that exhaust, and then we'll bolt up, and then I'll finally have a really nice exhaust. Hopefully it sounds good. We'll just see after I cut this. See guys, precision at its best. Look how straight that is. Alright.
Now we gotta grind it down.
Oh. I mean, does it look okay? Should I grind it down more? What do you think?
Look at it!
Look at that. See guys, precision is key. If you want to be a fabricator like me and Richie, you have to make sure everything is... Alright guys, so we have the flange cut, and then like I tried to level it out as best as I could. This is how the fitment is right now. It's alright. There's like little gaps, but we're gonna see if it will work. I'm gonna clean up all this metal, make sure it's like a clean, fresh place to tack weld, and then that's all Richie's gonna do. He's the welder here. I'm just the cutting guy. On without anything, basically more of a straight pipe without the muffler part. So that was like 2K RPM.
Was that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Why is this car so fucking loud?
Alright guys, now it's time for Richie to tack weld it first, and then are we gonna take it out again?
Yeah, I have to take it out to fully weld it.
We're gonna take it out, then fully weld it. Then after that, we should be good. So now Richie is gonna weld on the full part of the exhaust, the flange to the exhaust. He has his Attack on Titan jacket on. He's gonna get his gloves, and he's gonna have his flame blue helmet to go with it. She's right here. He just tack welded it on just so that we have a place to hold it together. And then he's gonna do all that jazz, And then we should have a nice sounding non-ricey exhaust, because this is the APEXi one, and this is like one of the quietest exhausts that you can buy. The other one sounded damn near like a buddy club, so who knows what would have happened. I'm still not gonna run a resonator, so hopefully this sounds okay, but if it does sound like shit still, then I guess we're gonna wait another day. Gonna come back here and we're just gonna weld on a resonator. But for now, from what I've heard, the APEXi one should muffle it by a lot, because there's multiple ways that this muffles sound. Alright guys, so we have everything bolted on. Exhaust is back, but this time with new piping and no resonator, so hopefully it sounds, let's just pray it sounds good. So we're just gonna record. Alright guys, well, there it is. The hatch is back. I'll be taking this back to Daly City. Hopefully it's not super tingy. The reason for that ting is because it doesn't have a resonator on there. It's literally straight all the way through until the APEXi muffler. So obviously it's not going to sound the best because there's no resonator. But that will come later once I actually buy a spoon. The spoon muffler, then I'll put a resonator, or if not, if I get really annoyed at this, I'll just buy the resonator and just put one on. But regardless, I'm really happy with the car right now, so I'm going to end it right here. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think. I know it sounds kind of like right now, but don't worry, I'll make it sound pretty dope later on. So yeah, make sure you guys build humbly. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.